Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Al-Azhar Arabic Institute channel where we teach formal Arabic, classical Arabic, modern standard Arabic. In this lesson, we'll continue with Al-Arabiyyah Bayna Yadayk, Arabic between your hands. If you missed the first lesson, I'll link that down below. I would advise on watching that first. Again, it's not a big deal. We're still at the introductory stage on chapter 1. So just going through basic dialogues. So here we see Al-Hiwar Thani. Hiwar, as you may remember, means dialogue. Athani means second. As before, we'll post a link down below with all the vocabulary Arabic to English, so you have a free PDF for yourself. So don't worry about frantically scribbling down. Just really focus on the listening and just trying to absorb the information and assimilate the Arabic slowly but surely. So unzur wastami' wa'a'id. Unzur, look. Wastami', listen, and listen. Wa means and. Wa'a'id, and repeat. So again, this is a dialogue between two people. We'll go through it in Arabic, see how much you understand, and then we'll go through it sentence by sentence, and then we'll break it down word for word. So it's a conversation between two men, Muhammad and Sharif. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Min ayna anta? Ana min Pakistan. Hal anta Pakistani? Na'am, ana Pakistani. Wa ma jinsiyatuka? Anta. Ana Turkiyu. Ana min Turkiya. Ahlan wa sahlan. So let's go through that again once more. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Min ayna anta? Ana min Pakistan. Hal anta Pakistani? Na'am, ana Pakistani. Wa ma jinsiyatuka anta? Ana Turkiyu. Ana min Turkiya. Ahlan wa sahlan. So let's go through these and explain the meanings line for line, and then we'll do the individual breakdown of the words as mentioned. So Assalamu alaikum. As mentioned in the previous lesson, this means it's a basic greeting in Islam, in the Arab world. So peace be upon you. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa means and. Alaikum, upon you. Salam, peace, and peace upon you. Min aina anta? Where are you from? Ana min Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Hal anta Pakistani? Are you Pakistani? Na'am, ana Pakistani. Yes, I am Pakistani. Wa ma jinsiyatuka anta? And what is your nationality? Ana Turkiyu. Ana min Turkiya. I am Turkish. I am from Turkey. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome. So we've done the greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. Min aina anta? So literally this means min means from, aina means where, anta means you masculine. So again, it's a conversation between two males, but it basically means where are you from? Min aina anta? So where are you from? Ana min Pakistan. Ana means I, whether it's male or female. As mentioned in Arabic, you have two genders, but when it's the first person, when you're talking about yourself, I, me, mine, ana, it's just all the same. So ana, I, min means from, Pakistan, Pakistan. There's no P for Papa sound in Arabic, so they just substitute B. So sometimes you'll get Bebzi and Bizahat. So similarly, you get Pakistan. Ana min Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Hal anta Pakistani? Are you Pakistani? Hal is a question word. So anta means you, masculine. Pakistani means Pakistani. So anta Pakistani is you are Pakistani. But if you put hal at the beginning, it becomes are you Pakistani? It's almost like A-R-E that we have in English. You're Pakistani? Are you Pakistani? You are Scottish? Are you Scottish? Hal anta Pakistani? Na'am. Na'am means yes. Ana Pakistani. I am Pakistani. Wa ma, and what? Wa means and. Ma means what? Jinsiyatuka. Now this just means your nationality. Anta means your. It just adds a little bit of emphasis. Jinsiyatu means nationality, and ka, again, because we're talking to a masculine, a man, so it's ka, as opposed to a female or a lady, it would be ki. So wama jinsiyatuka anta, and what is your nationality? Ana Turkiyu. I am Turkish. Ana, I, min Turkiya. I am from Turkey. Ahlan wa sahlan. So that just means welcome. Ahlan wa sahlan. So let's listen to the whole dialogue again and see how much of it you understand now. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Min ayna anta? Ana min Pakistan. Hal anta Pakistani? Na'am, ana Pakistani. وما جنسيتك أنت؟ أنا تركي. أنا من تركيا. Ahlan wa sahlan. So, again, similar to the last lesson, we have a similar dialogue, but again, this is between two women. So, again, there are some differences which we'll point out again in terms of particularly in terms of the pronouns and certain words. So, this is a conversation, al-hiwar al-thani, which means the dialogue, the second dialogue. Undur wastami' wa'a'id. Look and listen and repeat. So this is a dialogue between Maryam and Zainab, so two women. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Min ayna anti? Ana min Misr. Hal anti Misriya? نعم أنا مصرية وما جنسيتك أنت أنا سورية أنا من سوريا أهلا وسهلا. So again we'll do this line by line. So Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you, exactly same as before. Wa alaikum assalam, and peace be upon you. Min aina anti. So again remember, min means from, aina means where, and anti means you, feminine. Remember above it was min aina anta. Here it's min aina anti, because Maryam is addressing Zainab. So when you address a female, you is anti. To a man, it's anta. So min aina anti, where are you from? Ana min Misr. Ana min Misr. I, min is from. Misr just means Egypt. So it's a noun, just means from Egypt. Hal anti Misriya? So Maryam is asking Khadija. Hal is, remember, is a what we call an interrogation particle, or is a questioning particle. So hal, are you anti? Remember, it's anti as opposed to anta because it's female. Misriya. So now because of this ya and this what we call ta marbuta at the end, which produces a ya sound at the end, is basically it's a nationality or something belonging to something. Baritaniya, are you British? Amerikiya, are you American? Pakistaniya. Misriya, are you Egyptian? Na'am, ana Misriya. Wa ma jinsiyatuki anti. So again, it's similar as just what we've seen above. And what is your nationality? Anti means you, feminine. So jinsiyatuki as opposed to jinsiyatuka, right? So it's ki because it's feminine. Wa ma jinsiyatuki anti. Ana Suriya. Ana min Suriya. I am Syrian. I am from Syria. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome. Same as before. So let's listen to it once more and see how much you understand. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. من أين أنت؟ أنا من مصر. هل أنت مصرية؟ نعم أنا مصرية. وما جنسيتك أنت؟ أنا سورية. أنا من سوريا. أهلا وسهلا. So we'll end this lesson here. Again, as mentioned, the link for a free PDF for all the vocabulary. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you can keep up to date and receive more free learning in your inbox as soon as it's released. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.